Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Some food, beverages, and merchandise shortly. For passengers who have
We have finally taken off. It's so beautiful.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every
And that's me. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I don't know from where I started, but here I am in Phuket and we landed. I think you have seen some airport clips, and this is a very quick room tour. We are staying at this resort, a very cool resort. I need to check the name again, but it starts from M and it's a really good property that we are staying in. The rooms are very nice. We are 3 people, so I think it's more than sufficient. It's really nice. It's very huge. It's clean, it's tidy. Even the staff is amazing here. They're very cordial, they're very nice and very very cooperative, because they told us that the check-in will start at 2 p.m. but we came early here. We came here at 10 a.m. and they gave us the room by 11 a.m., which is awesome, I guess. So I would highly recommend this place to you guys, and let me just show you the view. So this is my view. You can also get the view that has swimming pool, and you can also get an access to that area also. But I'm really happy finally that we have checked in, because I'm so tired. I've not slept again and I just need sleep. I had some good food. You saw the food that I ate, but now I think it's time to just take a shower and just sleep. I just got ready and it's a little humid here, so I just tied my hair and I just don't know, but I just feel very exhausted and tired. I just need some sleep. I'm not surviving even on an hour of sleep, so when I haven't slept well I feel very cranky. So I don't know, but I really like my outfit. It's really pretty. It's like a cord set and it looks really pretty. And let's explore Phuket. We're going to Big Buddha and one more place, so I'll show you guys around. I came to 7-Eleven and it has started raining. I bought few things. I bought Nutella biscuits. I'm very excited to try these. I bought these Cheetos, one Coke, and also ham and cheese sandwich, because I'm just starving. I've not eaten anything solid, so I just need something to eat and feel better, because otherwise I'll just be mad. So yeah. We have reached the Buddha place and the weather here is surreal. It is just beautiful, just amazing. It feels like I'm in Shimla. Not even kidding. Shimla, but like with a better view. And it's literally on the top. So it's just beautiful. Let me just show you guys. Guys, just look at this beauty. It is not really visible, visibility is 0 in my phone, but it is beautiful. You can see the illusion of Buddha behind my back, but it's just the most beautiful experience. There are some rules when you come here. You have to be like fully covered, no sleeveless clothes, fully covered, and pants and everything. So this is the rule. And also they have free entry, so you don't have to pay anything to visit this place. And upar se they have almost 1100 steps. You have to cross 1100 steps and then see the beautiful and the it's just surreal when you see the Buddha. It's in the clouds and I'm just walking by. This is the view. It's a little humid, but it's pretty cold also, and it's very pleasant. I think I'm just gonna use this word in the entire vlog, I guess, but it's okay. It's just beautiful. Just look at it. It's stunning. We just came to Patong beach area and there is this huge market here, just like Bangkok streets, and it has a variety of like massage centers, salons, food, and you can book your packages to visit the islands nearby and do a lot of things basically. Burger, Tekka, Delhi. I'm in heaven. We just had a very great experience of something that I cannot tell, but it was really nice. And now we're looking for a place to eat. It's very crowded. It's like things have just started in this city. So we're just finding a good place to eat food because we're very hungry at this point. So let's see what we got. After a very long time, our food is here. We are at this Indian restaurant called the Rajwada. Yeah, Rajwada House, I guess. It's at the same street at Patong beach. You'll find it very easily. We have taken one thali because thali is very fulfilling and it just makes our day a little better, and we can at least sleep in peace if we eat good food. So let's see how the food is. Just got done with the dinner and it was pretty good. काफी अच्छा खाना था and it was nice, fulfilling सा था because एनर्जी के लिए यू नीड समथिंग जो फुलफिलिंग हो. थोड़ा वेराइटी ऑफ फूड भी था, फ्लेवरफुल भी था. अच्छा था. व्हाट एल्स वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट इंडिया यहाँ थाईलैंड में कि इंडिया का फूड बहुत अच्छा और जायकेदार हो, बट इट वॉज नाइस, इट वॉज गुड. यू गाइज कैन कम हियर इफ यू विजिट पैटोंग बीच if you want to, because it's nice, and if you want some place to have food especially Indian food. अभी हम पैटोंग बीच आए थे और यहाँ पे चार्ज करते हैं अगर आप शैक्स पे बैठोगे तो, which is stupid. I don't know why do they charge, but it's okay. I don't know, उसके पीछे कोई reason ही होगा, because they charge. And yeah, it's pretty good here. I like the breeze. It's not very hot and humid now, but earlier it was hot. It started raining and then it was humid again. But अभी अच्छा लग रहा है, अभी थोड़ा better लग रहा है, खा के भी थोड़ा सा और better लग रहा है. But you can come here, you can just get pictures, click. We are back from all the fun and I'm in my bed. I took a nice hot shower just to feel a little better and energetic. So I think let's just call it a day and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi guys, welcome to the next day. I'm wearing this super pretty blue outfit. This is from H&M and carrying this nice beach bag too. We're going to Fifi Island. We're just waiting for the cab from where we booked yesterday, last night when you saw. So we're very excited for it and we're gonna spend the entire day there. We're gonna visit 3-4 places. So let's see what's the day has stored for us. And we're a little hungry, so we're just gonna get a coffee and just feel a little better. The weather is really nice. It's very breezy and not very hot. So I'm excited for that. This is our ride.
If you got 14 days, please show me an answer before we start. If you have okay.
We have reached the place from where we will take a boat to Fifi, but we have a quick stop for breakfast. And there are a lot of people here who are getting instructions, some necessary instructions that we need to follow. So let's go and get some breakfast.
All of them, they're gonna go to Fifi later.
We are about to set and we are very excited.
One toilet here, like it's 5-star toilet, like you can do it.
हम आ गए हैं ऑलमोस्ट सबसे फर्स्ट लोकेशन पे एंड इट्स अनरियल. आई कांट बिलीव व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग एट. जस्ट लुक एट दिस, लुक एट माय हेयर.
Whenever you're up, whenever you're down, whenever you're caught up in the music or you're falling to the ground, I'll keep you on track.
गाइस, ये व्यू और ये नज़ारा इतना ज़्यादा अनरियल है ना, आई कांट पुट इट इन वर्ड्स ऑनेस्टली. We are at Maya Bay or Maya Beach and it's a pretty good place, very giving me forest vibes, but अच्छा है. You can find सारे type के लोग here from almost every country, I guess. It's so widespread. The guide is so sweet. Omni is her name and she's very kind and very sweet. She's taking care of everybody so well, so it's pretty good. We just stopped here to see around and if you look very closely you will find the very minute details, like I don't know, about life in general, about things in general. You just take out meaning from every tiny thing, the colors, the vibe, the aesthetic, the texture. It just feels very, meaningful. Like you won't find anything, stupid or like ये हम कहाँ आ गए types. If you can take out meaning from these things are made for you and you can have fun. If not, then you will probably just find it boring. You'll just get clicked and you'll just go back. So never feel that. Always when you come out on a trip, find meaning out of things so that the trip becomes more memorable to you and you can just take out your experience, your learnings from it. So thank you for this TED Talk, guys. हम फाइनली पहुंच गए हैं माया बीच, माया बे, Maya Bay. Sounds so bad, but it's surreal. Like, it's just surreal. I'll just show you guys how it looks. It's beautiful. I think these feelings, like, I cannot like express in words ever. Hey guys, we just stopped, and after everybody snorkeled, we came here to have lunch. Now they have a lunch scene here, so when you pay, you also pay for the lunch and other like things you get in the boat to drink. So I'm excited to see the food because I'm currently very hungry, and it's like 3 p.m. now, and we are up and we are here since 11 a.m. So pretty good time. I am eating chicken and rice, spaghetti, and some watermelon. You can shop from these places and get souvenirs. They have really nice and like cool ganjis and these very beautiful and Pinteresty Korean clips. So the lunch was very okay for me. I don't know, but I can't really eat at places where are like, you know, which are like extremely crowded and it's too much. And like, I just feel these places to be a little unhygienic, and I can't like sit there and eat for like a longer while. So I just had thoda sa khana. I didn't even eat that pura, and I knew that I won't be, so I took very less, and I couldn't even eat that too. But it's okay, we managed. Now we're gonna eat some ice cream, coconut ice cream. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. We are having coconut ice cream. Hi guys, I'm at this beach. I'm currently just chilling. I called for a pina colada, and that's how my face looks. Makeup is literally everywhere at this point because we swam and like we ate food. It was very humid and sticky weather, but it feels really nice now just laying down. I so wish they had massages here because I'm really craving for a massage. I really want a massage right now. Hi guys, we're done with the Fifi and everything, the tour, and we're back in the van. We're going back to the hotel and we'll check in to another hotel in Phuket, and it was such a beautiful and surreal day. I made so many friends from Turkey, Amsterdam, Pakistan. It was just lovely. It was amazing, and we had so much to discuss and like talk about. It was just beautiful. The ocean was beautiful, the caves. It was just surreal. I really cannot describe it in words. Words या messages में आप उसको बता ही नहीं सकते हो. आप देख कर भी नहीं बता सकते हो, फोटोज़ में भी नहीं बता सकते हो, क्योंकि वो बहुत अलग और एक surreal सा एक्सपीरियंस है जो पता नहीं हम लाइफ में कब एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे. But it was beautiful. Kochi. We came to this place to eat this pizza. And we are ordering some food. We have called for some pasta and pizza because हमने अभी तक खाया नहीं जब से हम यहाँ आए. And it's a very cute cafe in Phuket. Patong. What's the name? Ili is the name. And they serve wood fire pizza, and we have ordered vegetarian food just to check how it is and how does it actually taste. So very excited for it. Adding more spice because we don't like bland food. Just got a massage and it's 12 a.m. It was so good. It was an oil massage and it was just so relaxing, something that I really needed to end day 2 in Phuket. But it was really nice. I 101% recommend massages in Phuket. This city never sleeps. Like I mentioned, I got a massage very late and the lady actually stayed with me. They were closing, they were shutting, but she stayed for me and that was just so sweet. So the name is Hallelujah Massage. It's in Phuket. I'll just show you guys the location.